show. I'm here at Panda Express where I got me this delicious wok shrimp, these steamed veggies, and this rice. Delicious shrimp. Now look at that, food freaks, bursting in flavor. Now let's go ahead and dig in. Delicious. Need me a little bit of onion to go with that. Perfect. I don't know about you, but I'm loving the wok shrimp. Perfect, delicious combination I got right here. Wow, food freaks, look at the delicious crunchy beans. So good. Oh my god. Nice and crunchy. Definitely gotta love these. So good and crunchy. You gotta love it. Let's go ahead and give it a good mix. Definitely want to get all these juices into my rice because they are delicious. Dig in, food freak. So delicious. I am definitely enjoying this plate. What is this? That looks like baby kale. So good. You gotta love your Panda Express, baby, because they know what they're cooking. Nothing but deliciousness bursting in flavor. Look at this delicious bell pepper. Nice and sweet, you gotta love it. This is quite enjoyable. I know what I'm getting next time I'm coming here to Knott's, that wok fire shrimp. You have to make sure you get your full servings and vegetables. Another of my favorites, cabbage. I definitely enjoy this in my caldos. My chicken soup, beef soup, and of course my Chinese food. Thank you, Panda Express, for being so delicious. Bye-bye, food freaks. Till next time we eat again, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye.